So we are now on to the first step of being able to use the woojer vest 3. First, you really want to make sure you look at the manual because this is a new gadget, and there are a lot of functions in that vest that you need to get used to. So you check on the manual, and there's numbered parts there, and there's functions on every number. And the most important one right now is for charging the vest first, fully charged. So you need to charge the vest by using the back slot, like the back of the vest. There's a slot there, and there's another slot in the front, but do not use that, and that's actually in the instruction. So it's here on the screen right now. Make sure you use the back slot for charging, and it does include the USB-C connector. And then here's the back of the vest that I'm talking about. There's even a sticker there that you gotta charge there. So easy connect. It's the other side of the wire, unless you have a connector that can take it in. You can use the converter, the one that can plug into a regular USB slot. So there it is. You can just connect it together, and it does not have the cube plug included. So you, if you have something just laying around, you use it. And then you want to turn on the vest so you know that the charger is working, which in this case it is. And I'm going to charge this until it's fully, until the bar is a full. So when I start using it, testing to use it on movies and music, it will have a lot of battery.